knowledge you have, the more clarity you have, the more confident you will get. And slowly the fear of reading, understanding, and thinking, oh gosh, what is this law? What we've seen, what is going on in the movies? Now for God's sake, what you see in the movies is what happens in court. So it's not heard, recess, dismissed, court rises. And the sooner you get a chance to go to a court, go. The sooner you can get to intern with somebody, go. Don't wait for your teachers to say your internship is in the third year. Take a shot. See, it's the sooner you open your hands. It's like driving a bike. A bike, I mean cycling, not a motorcycle or a scooter. The sooner you get onto the bike, the sooner you get your balance, the sooner you find the road, the sooner you can know how to apply brakes.